Hey YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my previous video about my travels to Liechtenstein, you'll know that I went on a 2-week vacation to Europe in November 2022. Well, today I want to talk to you about another country that I visited. During my trip, I stayed a couple days in a small country called Luxembourg. If you're about to travel to Luxembourg and would like to learn tips and tricks about traveling there, you've come to the right place. Keep watching for more details. In this video, I will talk about the following things: general information about Luxembourg, how to get there, things to do, getting around the country, food, accommodations, and safety. As always, feel free to skip ahead to a specific section of this video if you'd like, but before you do that, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. General information. Luxembourg is a landlocked country in Western Europe. It shares a border with Belgium, Germany, and France. Fun fact about Luxembourg is that it was one of the founding members of the European Union, hence the reason why the main currency there is the euro. In terms of languages, the official language is Luxembourgish, but many locals know how to speak French, German, or English. Getting there. Because Luxembourg is in the heart of Europe, it is very accessible by air, bus, train, or car. If you travel by air, keep in mind that Luxembourg does have an international airport, which is about a 30 minutes bus ride away from Luxembourg City. If you travel by bus, know that there are many long-distance bus options from neighboring countries. For my trip, I took a train and a bus ride from Cologne, Germany to Luxembourg City. It took about 5 hours to get there, but it only cost 19 euros. Things to do. Luxembourg City is a small country, but it has a lot to offer. During my trip, I spent most of my time in Luxembourg City, which is the capital of Luxembourg. Built on historical foundations, Luxembourg City is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site. When you visit Luxembourg City, you can do many things such as shopping in the Old City kiosk area, taking a walk along the Cornish, which is hailed as Europe's most beautiful balcony, visiting historical sites such as Pont d'Adolphe, Monument of Remembrance, the Cathedral Notre Dame, Place Guillaume II, Palais Grand-Ducal, etc., or indulging in the history of Luxembourg at a local museum. Since 2022, all forms of public transportation are free throughout the entire country. The only exception is if you would like to sit in first class, you still need to pay for a ticket. Luxembourg offers an interconnected network of buses, trains, and trams. If you aren't renting a car, you can get to most places in the country via public transportation. If you are only staying in Luxembourg City, you can also choose to walk. Most places are within walking distance of each other. Food. As with most things in the country, food in Luxembourg is expensive. If you plan on dining out, be prepared to spend around 20 euros for a meal. If you want to save a bit of money, buying pre-made food at the grocery store would be cheaper. To give you some context, I paid 8 euros for a delicious chicken salad and a box of raspberry at Monoprix. Accommodations. In general, staying in Luxembourg can be quite pricey. If you stay in a hotel in Luxembourg City, you'll have to pay at least 100 euros per night. If you aren't willing to spend that much, there is one hostel in Luxembourg City. The name of the hostel is called Youth Hostel Luxembourg City. To stay in a dormitory room, it'll cost about 35 euros per night, which isn't that bad considering they also include breakfast. Overall, my experience in this hostel was great. The service was wonderful, the food was good, and the facility was very clean. Safety. As a solo female traveler, I felt safe walking around Luxembourg. I even took the bus by myself at night and I didn't experience any problems. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and smashing the subscribe button. If you have more questions about Luxembourg, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again!